In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce username. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. So let's dive in and discover just how easy it is to locate your username within Salesforce. First things first, you'll want to open up Salesforce on your computer. This is your dashboard where all your Salesforce tools and features are housed. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing the settings we'll be looking at today. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your avatar or profile image. This is typically a small circular icon, possibly just your initials if you haven't added a custom profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. It's like a little gateway into your personal settings and information within Salesforce. After clicking on your avatar, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select the option labeled Settings. Don't worry if you have other options listed there. Just focus on finding Settings. It's like stepping through door number 1 into the realm of customizing your Salesforce experience. Now that you're in the settings area, look for the section called My Personal Information. It's usually on the left-hand side navigation panel. Clicking on that will further reveal an option labeled Personal Information. Click it to open up a detailed look into all the personal data connected to your Salesforce account. This is basically the space where Salesforce stores all those little tidbits about you that help it tailor the platform to your needs. Once you're in your personal information section, start scanning for the field labeled Username. It should be right there among the first details displayed, usually pretty prominent because your username is essential for logging into the platform. And there you have it. Your Salesforce username will be displayed right there in plain sight. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently find your username without any hassle. Remember, knowing how to access your personal settings in Salesforce is quite handy. It can save you a lot of time in the future and help you manage your account more effectively. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing how to find integral details like your username with ease. Thanks for tuning in today to learn how to find your Salesforce username. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process an absolute breeze for you. Until next time, happy Salesforcing.